Hello children, as you start listening the video, get ready with the diagram of longitude, India's map, and also your geography book. In that one of the map, world map it is given according to the time. Here it is. Children, the shape of the earth, you can see in this longitudinal, the shape of the earth is spherical. It means it bulging the equatorial center line. It is circumferences round shape. It is 40,077 kilometer, and when we know the total round is 360 degree, when we divide, it is decided that if we are taking circumferences and divide by the total 360, we are getting 111 kilometer. It means the one line of meridian apart from second line, it can be 111 kilometer. It can be 111 kilometer. Okay, then for one longitude it can be, earth rotates from west to east and make the full circle. Then our earth is rotating, and then total one day it takes 24 hours. As every place on the earth surface faces the overhead, that is the overhead, and at a point, then shortest, our shadow is the shortest, it is said as a midday or noon. It is said as a midday or noon. Some countries of the world, it is having the largest area. Then from this to that is a much in the USA, Africa, Asia, and then Europe. Then they are having the, so that International Prime Meridian Conference in 1884 decided in Washington DC, they agreed to divide Earth, the world, into 24 standard time zones. How it is? It is divided as a 360 by 24, and then that is a total 360 round shape. Then 24 time zone they divided. Then later after, if we are getting by dividing, it comes 15, so that every line of longitude is the difference of 15, so that these time zone has to be decided. It means 24 time zone has to be decided by the difference of 15 each. Okay, but some of the countries in the world which is having largest area, they are having largest area, it could not decided the local time for particular area, so that some of the country, Russia is having 11 time zones, USA is having 5 time zones. It means from the difference, it means time zone, it means our country. How can we if in our country, if we decided when the overhead of a particular place, suppose we are living here and then here noon o'clock, but here it is not, so that for that one standard meridian has to be decided. For our country, how it is decided, see there how I mark it. Then longitudinal extent is 60, that is full I have taken 67 degree and 7 feet, and then mean is both is mean divide by 2, then approximately it comes 82 and half degree, and our country is lies 82 and half degree this side, east side, that is the center line 0 degree, then east side it is 82 and half. Allahabad is said to be as a Indian Standard Meridian. It is said that IST, Indian Standard Time. Then prime meridian is taken as the starting point of longitude. Here is the 0 degree. 0 degree, that has to be taken as a longitude. Center line is decided for the time whenever 12 o'clock or noon in that line, it is said as a 12 o'clock. It is the point of the for whole world from 0 degree towards east towards west. 180 if we are taking from east to west, round shape 180 from west to east, it is 180 degree. Okay, with the help of globe we can see. So that 12 o'clock whenever it is overhead, 12 o'clock. But what about the other places? To avoid that one, the international dateline has to be decided. The international dateline has decided from the bearing, that is the last corner, one of the corner from 0 to this corner, from that is the total. If we take 180, then from this corner we have decided, the international conference has decided the earning starting point that side. Okay, then suppose we are going from India to this time this side countries, and then center line has to be 12 o'clock. Whenever we are going from one side east to west, we are gaining, we are losing one day. We are going to east to west, and west to east we are coming, and then we gain one day. Then how can we? There are some of the example. And India's time, our country's India's time, how it is decided. As you can see here, that is a when 12 o'clock or 12 noon in Greenwich, Allahabad on 82 and half degree in India. Then from 0 degree up to 82, that is 82 we are getting 1 degree longitudinal difference. Time difference is 4 minutes. 1 degree 4 minute. Okay, then 82 and half is difference is 82 and half multiplied by 4, and then 4 minute we divide multiply, then 5 hours and then 30 minute. Then if we add that, divide by 60 minutes in 1 hour 60 minute, so that it is given at 12 noon in total 17. 17 means 12 noon already our country has to be passed, and then 5:30 in the evening. Here we can see it means 12 noon. 12 in the morning it is started already from this side. 12 it will come later after. First of all it will come to us, and then later after 12. Whenever we are reaching on this line, we have to be adjust our clock accordingly. We have to be, हमें करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि by aircraft we will go by aircraft, then it is the fastest means, so that it will give us one day. When east to west, then and then west to east, it is the center line. So that children, it is given by me. Then read it first of all, concerned with your book, and read once or twice, so that if we are having any confusion later after, so that I'll explain again, and one by one I'll explain such a way.